First thing we want to talk about is images and image formats, because probably most of you don't really understand how images are put together. And it helps to understand how images work so that we can edit them effectively and understand what it is we're doing with Pillow. So every image, like this strawberry image, is made up of what are called pixels. Pixels are the smallest unit an image can be composed of. Now, most images have thousands or even millions of pixels. In fact, megapixel, you've probably heard that term in reference to a digital camera. Megapixel refers to a million pixels. At one point in time, a 1 megapixel camera was really, really good. Now it's absolute garbage, right? So your phone can probably take 16 megapixel pictures on its worst day. So there's a lot more pixels in our current images, which makes them look sharper and more realistic. Now, an image can never capture all of the things that we see with our eyes. Anybody who's ever walked outside at night, seen a beautiful moon, and tried to take a picture of it with your iPhone understands this, right? It's very sad, the resulting image that you take. Even if you have a great iPhone, and even if you zoom way in, what it ends up looking like is like this little tiny spot of light, even if the moon looks like it's this big at night. And that's just because the way our eye works versus a camera is a little bit different. But the resulting pixels are all the same. Every pixel in an image like this has at least 3 numbers associated with it. And those numbers work together to determine the color of the pixel. It's part of a model of color called RGB. RGB was invented a long time ago when the very first color TVs were invented. And it's basically what we realize about light is that you have a red light, a green light, and a blue light. You can make almost every visible color by mixing those different colors of light at different levels. And so in a pixel like this right here, we have 189, 39, 44. Now, what does that mean? Every color channel, red, green, and blue, has between 0 and 255. So what we're seeing here is that this has a whole lot of red, very little green, and just slightly more blue. Does it look blue at all? No. But in order to create a very light red, we have to add some of these colors of light because white is 255, 255, 255. Black is 0, 0, 0. So you get used to thinking about color in those ways, especially if you've done like web design, you probably think about color in those ways a lot more. But in an image like this, every single pixel out of the millions of pixels has those numbers associated with it. In